Hello everyone, I am happy to make a new video for you, and today I would like to talk about the best trading terminal and why we should use it. As usual, before we start, I recommend you to pay attention to the description under this video, where you will find all the necessary links to useful sources that will help to enhance your trading quality. Let's try to figure out why trading terminal is so important and why CScalp is the best current option. First of all, if we are talking about scalping, the most profitable style of trading, we should understand that proper technical aspects are extremely important to scalp profitably. In other words, scalping is extremely sensitive to such aspects as speed of trades execution, quick update of market data, and stability of connection between exchange and your terminal. Many newcomers try to trade through web terminal and sacrifice one or even all aspects I listed. That's why we should use high accuracy trading terminal. Otherwise, you have no chance to succeed in scalping. The solution is CScalp trading terminal. Why it's the best existing option? It provides all the necessary instruments to work with: order book, tape, clusters, and graph. All these elements help us to trade autonomously with no extra programs. Moreover, it provides stable work. I've been trading through CScalp for many years and still have no problems with the speed of order execution or any delays. It provides stable work. It provides integrated proxy options. You can choose the closest proxy to improve the route and enhance the speed of your connection. Flexible settings. You can adhere the settings to your style of trading and even choose the visualization you like. High accuracy and optimization. It provides all the necessary market data, depth of market data, in time, with no delay, without overloading your processor. Finally, the CScalp team provides you with free educational materials and technical support. To stay updated, I recommend you to subscribe for CScalp YouTube channel and pay attention to these two videos that will for sure enhance your trading quality. Thank you for your attention. The video was prepared by the CScalp Trading Terminal team.